पिछले 6 साल से श्री रत्न भंडार की चाबी का अता पता नहीं है। उड़ीसा में भाजपा सरकार बनते ही दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी हो जाएगा।
Elaborate security arrangement for today. Every aspect of security is taken care of. Checking and frisking of the persons who are supposed to enter inside the temple. And quick reaction team has been deployed at important places to avert any untoward incidents. In addition to that, we have also placed a contingency arrangement, and all the contingency plans are in place. So we made elaborate police arrangement for today, and I hope that with everyone's cooperation, the work will be completed by the blessings of the Lord.
Sir, temple rituals have been performed.
The daily rituals that are supposed to be held inside the temple will be held. Identified servitors and those who have their rituals today, they will be allowed inside the temple. Only identified servitors, those who have their duty today, they will be allowed inside the temple, and no other persons will be allowed inside.
The government of Odisha has approved the standard operating procedure, the SOP, for opening of the Ratna Bhandar of the Sri Jagannath temple. And today, as per the decision, the Ratna Bhandar is being opened. So there is a very set guidelines for opening of this Ratna Bhandar. Authorized representatives of various Sebayat groups, officials from the Archaeological Survey of India, the representative of Sri Gajpati Maharaj and others would be there. So we will follow the procedure, and the entire proceedings will be video recorded for our record, not for any publicity. That will be strictly confidential, and very detailed guidelines have been received by the Sri Jagannath Temple administration, and we will follow those guidelines. The third step would be to inventorize the valuables, the gold, ornaments, and all the jewelry and other items, precious items will be inventorized. So for that, there would be a separate set of guidelines. So today, the opening of the Ratna Bhandar, we just seek the blessings of the Mahaprabhu that gets done. Members from all the relevant Sebayat Nijogs and also relevant officials of the state government, including the district magistrate, the collector of Puri. And there would be representative from the Sri Gajpati Maharaj. There would be superintending archaeologists from the ASI, the Archaeological Survey of India, because the structural safety of the Ratna Bhandar is also a prime concern. So the government wants it to be repaired and restored to its pristine glory.
लास्ट ईयर हमने इसी बात को लेकर हमारा जो गजपति महाराज मैनेजिंग कमेटी के चेयरमैन है, हमने उनको इसके ऊपर लिखा था कि लास्ट ईयर जब हमें ये पता चला कि जो 2018 में एक रिपोर्ट में था कि रत्न भंडार का अंदर बहुत सारे वहाँ पर खराबी है, जिसकी वजह से पानी सीपेज कर रहा था और प्लास्टर छूटा हुआ था, ऐसे सब बात सामने आया था। और आज पर हाईकोर्ट ऑर्डर ये एएसआई की तरफ से मंदिर मैनेजिंग कमेटी को लिखा गया था कि हमें जल्दी से जल्दी हैंडओवर कीजिए, रिपेयर करना बहुत जरूरी था।
पिछले 6 साल से श्री रत्न भंडार की चाबी का अता पता नहीं है। अरे हमारे घर की चाबी खो जाए तो भी हम मन्नत करते हैं, महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ जी मेरे घर की चाबी जरा खो गई है, कुछ मदद करो। और महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ जी के आशीर्वाद से घर की चाबी भी घंटे 2 घंटे में मिल जाती है। 6 साल हो गए, रत्न भंडार की चाबी खो गई है। उड़ीसा में भाजपा सरकार बनते ही दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी हो जाएगा।